Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your friends list on Facebook. It shouldn't take you a lot of time, so let's get right into it. So obviously the first thing that you need to do is go on Facebook and make sure that you're logged in. Once you've done that, we are going to press on the little button with three lines below the messenger button, which will be highlighted on my screen right now. Once you've done that and you've clicked on it, what you need to do is just scroll all the way down and select the settings and privacy button. Here we are going to select the settings button, which is the first option, and just scroll down until we find privacy. On privacy, we are going to just select the first option, which is privacy settings. Here again we are going to scroll down, and as you can see right here, it says how people find and contact you is the last one. Here we are going to go on the second option, which will be highlighted right now, and which is who can see your friends list. We're going to select it, and here you can hide your friends list. You can have it public for only your friends can see it, friends except someone, specific friends, or only me. In order to hide it completely from everyone, we are going to select only me, but you can select whatever you want. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.